Here's the sensors. There are way too many wires on this one. It's gotta be messing with the signal. Where do these cables go? Hey, yourself! Signal relays are being jammed by something. This is crazy tech. Hate to do this, but...
Sensors are back online. What did you do?
Took care of the guy messing with it. And it looks like they left some of their toys behind. Hey, I'm gonna have to call you back. Whoa. Bet I could use this to make those hollow drones Pete designed. This tech has a pretty unique RF. Wonder if I can track it. Huh. Looks like there's a bunch more of these around this city. Perfect time to try out those new hollow drones. Look out! Hey, Underground! We gotta stop running into each other! You're down! Okay. Hope the trains are running again. Should check in with Uncle Aaron.
Yeah,
Hey, Mr. Davis. How are things looking now?
I've got a signal, but no trains on the tracks. Something must have gone down at the yard.
It was the Underground messing with your sensors. I'm thinking. Does Roxxon ever use the subway to ship Nuform?
Roxxon? The subway system was designed to carry people, not freight. This line got some updates when Roxxon Plaza came.
So they could be using it under the table. I'll follow up on it. So, you mentioned your brother. You got other family?
Haven't seen them in a while. I had to make some changes, like taking his job. I miss him, especially my nephew. We used to mix beats together.
Well, maybe now you can see him again. Zen, your family.
Hope so, kid.
Yeah. I should go. Bye, Underground. Bye. Underground's wrecking everything. Maybe I can stop them quietly.
Hurry it up!
Gotta split those guys up.
Get in and out quick! This stuff takes time, man! What was that noise?
Here, take 5. Don't look at me, don't look at me. Good time to try out Pete's visor tech. Nice. Now I can track them. It's yours? I've got a theory. You're trying to intercept Newform. Am I close?
You can't stop us, buddy! Don't give up!
¿Es esto ya? That's all of them. Now to get the trains back on the tracks. Controls are probably in the office. Tinkerer. Unc said that's their leader. Oh man, they read the controls. Gonna have to get the trains back on the tracks by hand. Or web. I can use that turntable. Spin the turntable, pull trains with webs. Should work. No, need to get it to stay down. Yeah, that's good. Not for the others. Underground looks up Newform shipments, then kills the subways. Maybe they're trying to stop Newform from reaching the city, or... what? That works. Almost there. I need to get in front of it. Gonna have to do it manually. Yes. Okay, one more. That's right. It worked. We've got trains on the tracks. Now they need power. They busted the controls here too, but not the generator. Okay, I can use that to power the trains. Probably. My webs are conductive. Come on, trusty New York subway. Yes! Hey, Mr. Davis. Did anything change on your end?
Panels just lit up like Christmas. Good job, kid.
Glad to help. If anything else comes up, just post a note in the app.
Wait a second. I got a little something here. It's not much, but
For me?
it's the least I can do for a guy who just saved my job.
Cool, cool. I'll head back now.
Hey, Miles. Just landed in Europe. How's day one of solo Spider-Manning?
Pretty good. I stumbled on a conspiracy in my neighborhood.
Classic. You have a plan?
Sort of making it up as I go.
The mark of a true Spider-Man. Well, if you need me, I'm a phone call away. And a cross-Atlantic flight, but it's fine.
Sure, man. Oh, and thanks for the gift. It is awesome.
You earned it. Oh, MJ needs me. Gotta go. Bye. Dude, fixing the subways made the app blow up. You have so many requests. Oh, this one's from Teos. That guy rules.
Oh, I should definitely check that out, now that the whole city's counting on me.
We're like the #1 app in NYC right now. Check it out as soon as you're done with your uncle. He still doesn't know you're you, right?
Had a couple near misses, but I kept my cover. I'll check the app as soon as I'm done here. Later. Gotta hit Finn back when I finish helping Uncle. Oh, hey, Mr. Davis. I'm almost there.
You gotta hurry, Spider-Man. Underground's here. Putting bombs on the tracks.
Bombs? For real?
Guess they didn't like you fixing things.
I'll get there as soon as I can. Hang tight and don't go outside. Stop this quick.
We don't need you here, Spider-Man! You can't beat all of us! Not alone! You're just a cheap knockout!
They're gonna blow the whole line.
Not if I can help it. Okay, bombs are down. Now for these guys.
Take this!
Like that.
There's more on the upper tracks.
All right, I'll get them.
You, Spider-Man!
How many spider people are there? You can't stop us, Spidey!
That's it! We're wearing you down! Can't stop what's coming! You can't take out all of us!
Across the intersection. Another one.
On it.
We can do!
One more.
Give up! You can't beat us!
The last night you learned new forms getting shipped by train. Then today you attack the trains. Why? Stop new form? To steal it?
Can't wait to rip that mask off! We won't be stopped!
trains are back, underground's done, you do good work.
The next train is arriving in 5 minutes. Please stand clear of the approaching train.
Underground did a number on my suit. You okay, Mr. Davis?
Yeah, thanks to you. Oh, hey, here you go. 1 year unlimited subway pass.
Thanks.
Did I get the name right?
How did you... okay, gotta go.
Hold up, Miles. I kinda suspected when I saw the news yesterday. Watching your moves on those escape cons, juking guys left and right, could have sworn I was back at the park playing pickup with you and your dad. You were quick then. A lot quicker now. Don't worry, I won't tell your mom.
Promise?
Promise. Look at you. If your dad could see you now,
He'd probably freak out.
he'd definitely freak out. So you taking over for the other Spider-Man?
Nah. Like I said, he's just on vacation.
Right. And he left you in charge.
Yeah.
A lot of responsibility for a kid your age.
I can handle it.
Hope so. But listen, you get in over your head, you give me a call. I'm here for you. Got it?
Got it. Thanks, Unc.
Trains are arriving.
Genki said the app's blowing up. City definitely needs a Spider-Man. Should patrol for a while.
New York subway.
Looks like Teo's bodega was robbed. Hope I can help.
Man, where you hiding?
Hey, right here.
What? Not you. My cat. Named after the real Spider-Man. Bunch of jerks broke in here and robbed my place. Think they took Spider-Man too.
That's awful. You see where they went?
Overheard them say they're hitting the power substation. Couple blocks over.
I'll find them. And your cat.
Sure, kid. Guess it can't hurt.
Hey,
Should probably call Genki when I get there. So how would these dudes go to a power station?
The next train is arriving in
There's my way in. Genki, I need help. Some dudes robbed Teo's bodegas and headed to the closest power station.
Weird. You've got my full attention. Watching through your live stream.
They're shooting Transformers? Okay.
How many of these we gotta break? Do I look like an electrician? Just keep shooting and cutting wire. Get the job done.
They look so peaceful knocked out.
You sure it'll knock out the whole block? Reasonably sure. Hey, if you knock out more than one, it'll take the cops longer to catch on. I've never been part of a plan like this. That's because you've been working small term. This really works a long-term opportunity.
Ha! Knew I could do it.
Really gotta take a leak.
This beats lockup, that's for sure.
Gotta watch out for spiders, man.
I heard something. What was that noise? There's the bugs here! I just found webs!
Eso me gustó.
Spider-Man? The real one or the kid? Get over!
This station's output is down to 64%. Maybe you can find a backup.
thinking on the backup systems. You're good at this hero stuff.
Nah, I'm just a spectator.
Just need to find Tails' cat. Spider-Man! Wait! Wait! Spider-Man went down that elevator shaft. Got it! I'm coming for you, Spider-Man. Hang tight. Spider-Man, wait! Ugh.
I think I know what these dudes want. There's a bank on this block. No power means no security.
So if we fix the power, we're preventing a bank heist?
Stopping crime before it begins. In a world where only two men can see the future, only they can stop it.
All right, gotta focus.
Why does the boss want to set up here of all places? Look outside. Harlem's a mess right now. Derek? I know it was Derek. Have someone else! How you like that, kid? You can't take all of us! Can't hit him up there! Mind your own business, you little brat! You're than the other guy! Got my eye on you!
Sounds like someone's paying them. Any idea who? What?
So, output's at 0.
I got that.
Pulling up emergency lights. Okay. You can restore power if you charge the other backups.
On it. Man, how many people does it take to bust a power station? What's up? Who's your boss? Anybody I know?
Gotta beat on the kid!
Seriously, who planned the bank robbery?
Hey!
I need to find the backup system. Okay, gotta push ahead. Find the main generator, and hope I can fix it. These guys keep talking about their boss. Any idea who it is?
Dude, a lot of people want to rob banks.
It was worth a try. There's the main breaker. Gotta clear out these guys. Then I can figure out how to fix it.
White-collar crime? That's the real hustle. Stay sharp, boys. Someone's trying to... Hello! Stay out of my business, freak!
Forget this! Going in loud!
Give me your next shot! Get Peter Pan down here!
That one felt good! Yeah!
Gotcha!
Time to check the breaker. No good. Board's not powered. Need a generator. Here we go. Power's on. I don't think it's hooked up. Connection solid. Power should be rerouted. Time to flip the breaker.
Let there be...
Kitty, it's okay.
Spider-Man?
You can't have him! Don't you know it's rude to interrupt the bonding process?
Take your best shot! Back up!
I have entered your system.
You asked for this!
Unsuccessful.
You are mine!
Bloody punks like you every day!
It's a bad day to mess with us!
He's mine! You're going down! He's gonna throw it! This is gonna... That looked painful! You don't stand a chance, Campbell! He's hurt!
Don't you know it's rude to interrupt the bonding process?
You're dead!
Tell me who planned the bank robbery. Give me the cat, and I'll let you go. Deal?
No deal! Don't let him leave here! You ain't gonna bring me down! I heard him! Don't you get that gunk on me! Come here! I'm gonna pound you, kid! He's gonna throw it!
Take your best shot! See, you got this!
You ain't gonna bring me down!
Now for the breaker. For real this time. Let's get out of here, Spider-Man. Hey, man. Power restored, bank heist stopped, Spider-Man the cat saved.
All in a day's great work. I'm posting in the FNSM app about these guys and their boss. Maybe we can get leads on who we're dealing with. Call you soon.
Hey, Teo. Got a surprise for you.
Oh, yeah? What's that? Spider-Man! Oh! Did you have an adventure? Oh, you almost gave Daddy a heart attack. Oh, yes, you did. Oh, yes, you did. Good work, other Spider-Man. Thanks.
Yeah. Of course. Hey, man. Any leads on who our cat thieves were working for?
I'm chasing down a couple of problems that might be connected. Robberies on Harlem's commercial strip, and something going down at Feast North. I'll post in the app when I know more.
Cool. Thanks, dude.
Miles, we still meeting today? Never got a text back from you.